FlexShot from Flex Seal.
Hi, Phil Swift here. This is FlexShot, the easy way to caulk, bond, and seal virtually everything.
And it's so easy to use. Simply push the trigger to make quick repairs with pinpoint accuracy. FlexShot's thick rubber formula fills huge cracks and holes, making everything completely waterproof. And it's mildew resistant, making it perfect for kitchens and baths. Water gushes out of this huge hole, but after it's sealed with FlexShot, there's absolutely no leaks. Just a quick shot gives you a perfect bead that lasts up to 30 years.
To show you the incredible strength of FlexShot, I'm gonna blast huge holes through the bottom of that boat with this giant cannon. Ready? Holy, look at all this damage! And we're gonna repair it using FlexShot. FlexShot sealed every hole. Imagine what you can do with the power of FlexShot.